Hi guys! So this is our first travel vlog. Yung place na pinuntahan namin is Guimaras Island. Nagpunta kami doon para matikman namin yung mango pizza nila. But unintentionally, may na-prank. So watch this.
This is the only store that offers pizza, mango.
There's another store there, ma'am. The Mamingo Pizza Main.
Main? You have a main stop where?
Besides po ng McDo, ma'am.
Bigger than this?
Same naman.
Same lang. I thought that the Mango Pizza store is located also in the location of Mango Plantation. No?
The main condition is dinero. Sunod sa dinero ko, no?
Ah, okay. Oo.